And now we're gonna go into our second hive. Check out what's going on in there. Drink and everything. Yeah, for sure. Alright, we put a pollen patty in here last, and rhubarb leaf. Rhubarb leaf is almost gone. Maybe I should bring you closer. See what I'm talking about here. Come closer. Come closer with me. We're gonna get you right in here. My yard is far from level. It's all hillside here. Let's see if we can get you closer. Hey, Mom. Find your spot. There we go. Nice. This is our rhubarb leaf. It's pretty dry. But I mean, that thing was huge. It's covering it all, right? Got bees in here. Let's see what these little girls are up to. Little baby bits of nectar. Starting to draw this one out. That's good. Today we're going to customize the lid. I'll show you what I'm going to do there. Some comb. Oh yes. What do we have in here, babies? Do you like babies? Huh, look at that. They're building it completely on their own, eh? What we got? Oh, that's got to be drone comb. Look how thick that is. Look at that. Huge combs. Huge cells. And yes, if you look closely, there is little bits of rice. Oh, we're going to lose you. Getting windy. Getting windy now. Yes, there's little pieces of rice down in there. See those? Little piece of rices. So yeah, there's babies here. All over. Everywhere, actually. There's a queen here. There's a lot of day-old, 2-3 day-old eggs in there. A lot. So that's a good thing. You got girls. I think this time this box is ready for another box. Yeah. Oh, eggs. Eggs everywhere. This is great. Is she on here? No, but this side, as you can see at the bottom of those cells, a little piece of rice. See that little white piece of rice? This is why we use blackboards. I don't like that. You guys are all right too. So, sorry girls. It's gotta go. Excuse me girls. All the way. Come on. Ooh. The hell? Must have been a bumble. That was a big one. I mean, that was a drone. You want a little girl? I want that nectar. You're the way. I want that nectar. It's for me. That's what we call a freebie. Huh. Okay. I don't like these sideways columns. But I didn't have wax and I didn't wax my frames. What do you expect? Good wax. There, we can rebuild. Oh, did I squish you? I'm sorry. I did squish you. Okay. So that's what we got so far. Another column. Yeah, they're building columns on me. Oh, babies everywhere. The queen's got to be here. There's freaking eggs everywhere. This is a good thing. It's all good things. Look at all that honey and all that nectar. Oh. You know what's amazing to do? Take some. Ah. Oh my gosh. So freaking good. Column's got eggs in it. Column on there. That right there, I don't like that. It's just gonna smash frames when you slide them in the future. But we got babies in there. We're gonna let it roll. We are gonna let it roll. Lots of eggs. Yes. Yes. Lots of eggs. Queen's doing her part. Oh. A little bit windy out here, eh? Oh, here. Fell. Maybe it'll fall over a little less. What we got here? Nice cap, beautiful golden brood. We have, I'm trying to get the right light in there for you. We have eggs. You know, these ones are 4 days old, 3 days old. These are obviously capped, and a little pieces of rice that are in there. That's a big one. If they're straight standing up in the bottom of the cell, that's a day old. As soon as they start to lean over a little bit, 2 or 3 days. And then, you know, the process from there. But it's always good to know, especially if you have trouble finding queens, on what stages you got of egg, larvae, cap brood. Still not seeing a queen though. She is marked. She's a great big blue dot. Because she is a 2025 queen. And blue is the color for 2025. Show, little girl. Shout. So I am going to give these guys another pollen patty, just because I can. Oh, beautiful. That is a thing of beauty. Look at this. She's a great layer. Great layer. Beautiful pattern. It's exactly what you want to see. Yeah. Yeah. That's exactly what you want to see right there. That's what your frames should look like. You know, they should look just like so. That's perfect. Oh, there's little wiggle dams going on in here. Little wigs. Oh, I glued this. This one's pretty good at the bottom here. Break it free. I'm gonna have to clean the bottom of that up. It's connected to the bottom frame. What we got here? Yes. Yes. We have lots of babies. Lots and lots of babies. It's all good things. Now you see, sometimes they put babies down at the bottom, right? And now we have larvae in there. Some jellies. Sorry guys. Mostly drone at the bottom anyway. But we got to get rid of that comb now. The babies aren't in there, so just... Bees don't like you blowing on them. Gets them out of the way. Sometimes it pisses them off too. Choose your battles. Sometimes you can sit there and blow on it, and then they light you up. Come on, girls. Let's go. Come on. Out of the way, little girls. Out of the way. Out of the way. Coming through. Eek. Sorry, guys. Whatever this goo is that's coming out of here, whether it be royal jelly or I guess the jelly that they feed their offspring, you know, must be what it is. But let's see what it tastes like. It's sweet, a little bit. It's also a bit bitter. It's kind of confusing taste, actually. What do we got here? Lots of babies. Lots of babies. Good. The girls are doing just... Oh, look at all that beautiful, new, fresh honeycomb. Look at how white that is. Sweet. That's good. And then nothing over the next 2 frames. So, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would say we could leave it. We have 2 frames of nothing. Queen's definitely in the lower box. So you know what? We're just gonna slide this back together. We know she's in there. Things are looking good. Let's do it. Out of the way. Out of the way. Yeah, let's do it. Throw another box on there. Hang on. And I'll show you what I'm going to do with the top lid here. This guy, see. Again, I put too big of a screen on, so the bees can walk right through. But I put bug screen on this side, so they actually can't get through. All right. Then we're going to install, for these hot days, oh yeah, always check your bottom board too, you know. This gives you a lot of information. You can see what rows they've been working on, right? But don't forget to scrape it off every time. I forgot last time to scrape it off. Great. Yeah, you can hear the fan running in the other one. I'll show you what I do. I usually build it into the lid. I haven't got there yet.